To demonstrate, this is fourth experiment in data structure. To demonstrate the work of a single linked list using an array. This is class node define int self dot data, then self data is equals to data, then self dot next address is equals to none. Class single linked list define int self dot head is equals to none. Define insert from self dot data, new node is equals to node data, then new node dot next address is equals to self dot head, then self dot head is equals to new node. Define uh, inserted self dot data, then new node is equals to node data, new node is equals to next address dot self dot head, self is equals to head new node, then define inserted self dot data, self, if self dot head is equals to none, self dot head is self dot insert from data, then return new node is equals to node data, self is equals to self dot head, while temp is dot next address is not none. Temperature temp is equals to temp dot next address address, then temp new address is equals to new address is equals to new node. Define insert after self data key if self dot head is none, then print list is empty, then return to new node data if p is equals to self dot head while p dot data is not key, then p is equals to next address. If p is none, print key not found, then return new node dot next address is equals to p dot next address, then p dot next address is equals to new node. If define delete self dot position, if self dot head is none, then print list is empty, then if here also first list is empty, then key not found and list is empty. We have printed these three, and then p is equals to self dot head count is equals to 0, while count is less than positive of -1, then p is equals to p dot next address count plus is equals to 1. If p dot data is equals to none, then print position not found, then return. If position is not equals to 0, self dot head is equals to self dot head dot next address, else p dot next address dot next address. If count is not equals to positive, count is equals to 0, while return. Then define display, you have to display the self, then you have to temp the self temperature, while temp is not none, then print temp is dot data, temp is equals to temp dot next address, object is equals to single linked list while 1. These are the 6 conditions. First one, insert at the beginning, print insert at the end, and third one, insert after, and fourth one, delete, and fifth one, display, and sixth one, exit while character is equals to hint input choice the function to perform %n. If character is not equals to 1, if you are taken as character is not equals to 1. If object dot insert front hint input enter the element to be inserted at the front, first one, character is not equals to 1. If character is not equals to 2, object dot inserted hint input enter the element to be inserted at the end, else character is not equals to 3. Then X is hint input enter the element after which inserted has to happen. Y is equals to hint input enter the element to be inserted. Object dot insert after y comma x. If else character is not equals to 4, object dot delete hint input enter the position of the node to be deleted. If else character is not equals to 5, print n object dot display else character is not equals to 6, break else print wrong input, then try again.